Hi, I am Rajeshri. I am going to explain how to create a web page using PHP and XAMPP file. First, let us see what happens in the XAMPP file. In the XAMPP file, we have two servers, namely Apache and MySQL. The first step is to start these servers. And when I click over admin, I will be redirected to a page called Welcome to XAMPP. And when I click on PHP My Admin, here you can see that I have already created a database called company, which holds the table user. And this is the table user. And I have inserted two values into the user. Let me explain what happens in the Java. So here first I am creating a form. Form action is nothing but this form which I'm going to create is redirected to a PHP file called dbphp, and the method which I am using is post. And here I am allowing the user to input username, password and email as well. And after the user enters the username, password and email, when he clicks on the button submit, his inputs which he is going to insert will be registered. So if the file which he has registered already exists, he will be redirected to another PHP file called lab82.php. In lab82.php, we create a form called log.php. This form which we are going to do here will be redirected to log.php file, and the method which I am using is post. The user I am allowing the user to enter the username, password, and if the user wishes to change the password, he will be redirected to pass8.php, and in pass8.php the user is allowed to enter the password, username and mail. This one is mainly used for resetting the password. Next, I am creating a checkbox, and the name I am giving as check, and I am creating a button called submit, and the value which I am going to give is login. So when the user clicks on login button, he will be login to wherever he wants to go. And if the user is not registered, we have a link called index.php. Again the user will be redirected to index.php, and he will be allowed to register, and the process goes on. And after the password has entered, if the user wants to change the password which he had created already, he will be redirected to change.php. Change.php retrieves the username, password and email, and it establishes a connection to the database using connection equal to MySQL connect localhost root. If the connection is not established, then an error message will be displayed. And the database which I have created is DB. So I am selecting that database which I have created, and update user set password which the user wants to update, where username and the username of the user and the email will be updated and stored to $query, and the result of $query is stored to $result. And if the $result is true, username will be displayed, and password changed successfully will be the message when displayed if the password is changed. So let me run the program. Run file. I am going to type the username as Sri, and password let me give as UR14CS089, and the email will be rajeshri@mail. And when I click on this registered button, the details which I have registered will be forwarded to the database. You can see over here the details which I gave here is registered successfully. That's why I am getting the message as you are registered successfully. Thank you for watching.